A seismograph is an instrument that detects and records vibrations from earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and other ground movements. It measures the motion of the Earth's surface and converts it into visual data known as a seismogram. The main components of a seismograph are a heavy mass or pendulum, a frame anchored to the ground, and a recording device. The frame moves with the Earth's vibrations, but the mass, due to inertia, tends to remain stationary. This difference in movement between the mass and the frame is what the seismograph records. In a traditional seismograph, the mass is connected to a stylus that writes on a rotating drum covered with paper. As seismic waves cause the ground to shake, the frame and drum move, but the suspended mass lags slightly behind. This causes the stylus to draw wavy lines on the paper. The larger the seismic waves, the bigger the lines, which helps scientists gauge the strength of an earthquake. Modern digital seismographs use electronic sensors and computer systems. The motion is detected by accelerometers or velocity sensors that convert vibrations into electrical signals. These signals are then processed and recorded digitally, providing more precise and easily shared data. Seismographs can detect three main types of seismic waves: primary waves, secondary waves, and surface waves. By analyzing the time and intensity of these waves from multiple locations, scientists can determine an earthquake's epicenter and magnitude. Seismographs are essential for earthquake monitoring, early warning systems, and studying the Earth's structure. They help reduce the impact of natural disasters and advance scientific research. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.